Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Sensei Vegan. Thank you so much for joining me. I got something great for y'all today. Got something great. Now, I heard something appeared on my page, right? And what they're saying is that they had a problem giving up dairy because of something that they were eating. And I looked at that and I wish I could remember the name, but I forgot. Anyway, don't punch me in the face over that, but that's beside the point. And what they were eating was a frosted lemonade from Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. La 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 la. Chick-fil-A la 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 la. Chick-fil-A la la la. Anyway, it was a frosted lemonade from Chick-fil-A. I'm just saying Chick-fil-A, man. That's how I say it. Punch me in the throat if you want to. I don't care. That is what's on the menu. We're going to make a frosted lemonade Sensei vegan style. So walk your butts right over here. I'm revved up today. Probably a little more than usual. Anyway, let's get with these ingredients. Yes, let's get with these ingredients. So I wish I could remember the person's name, but this is for you, okay? I'm sending this with all the positive energy that I can. Okay, so here we go. First things first, you're gonna need some ice cream, all right? I'm using some So Delicious, very vanilla, cashew milk ice cream, okay? Use what you want, okay? Use vanilla though, but use any kind of vanilla that you want, all right? Lieutenant Dan, ice cream, Lieutenant Dan, ice cream, Lieutenant Dan. Name the movie. Anyway, you need some ice cream. Then you need some homemade lemonade. Don't use the store-bought garbage. Don't use it, okay? Hold on a second. I'm going to drop this on the ground. Lemonade is supposed to have simple ingredients. Lemons, water, and sugar. That is it. Go to the store and look at the side of these lemonades and the ingredients on it and see what's in it. It's scary what they put in effing lemonade, man. So make your own. Okay, now what we did, or what I didn't do, this stuff was already made up in my refrigerator. This is a lemon lime. Yeah, you know Sensei always got to spice it up. Lemon lime, lemon lime, good Lord, I'm tangling my own self up. Lemon lime lemonade, okay? Yeah, so I'm not big on these plastic containers, but I have these cups. I'm going to use them because we have them and want to get rid of them. And we have some straws. Some straws, okay? I'm not big on plastic straws anymore. This will be the last time I use plastic straws. When they're gone, they're all gone. I'm not using them anymore because they really cause bad effects on the environment. So if you got to use straws, use paper straws. But I have plastic. I'm sorry. But once they're gone, okay? A couple straws. And an ice cream scoop. You don't need the ice cream scoop, but I'm just using one, okay? So let's get started. All right, so what we're gonna do, open up this ice cream. Hope everyone had a great day. And I can make this video faster if I want it, but you know what? I like conversing, I like having fun, getting you all revved up, ready to go. Throw some scoops of this stuff down. You're gonna say, well, how many? I don't know. How much do you wanna drink? Huh? Just toss some effing ice cream down in this thing, like this. It's not rocket science. I have a live studio audience today. Would you like some of this?
Yes.
Would you like a taste?
I would love a taste.
All right, we got some people that want a taste of some of this ice cream, Lieutenant Dan. All right, here we go. So I'm just going to use this whole thing. We're just going to use this whole effing thing. Okay? Toss everything in there. Get out of there. That's it. Okay? Toss that in there. So I'm ended up eating or drinking this stuff and getting all revved up and just totally destroying some people on Call of Duty. That's probably going to happen. So anyway, you want to add some of this homemade lemon limeade, but I did say it is a Chick-fil-A Chick-fil-A. You choose how you want to say it. Frosted lemonade, Sensei vegan style. La. Now, here we go. Take some of that, toss it in. That's it. Now we're just going to do a little bit for right now, and then we'll add if we have to add, okay? I say this all the time, keep your effing blender unplugged until you go to use it, okay? You don't want any added ingredients inside your food. Yeah. So, we're going to give it a couple pulses, turn it on. Hey DJ, can we get some blending music, please? Yeah, it is done. That quick, that simple. Chick-fil-A lemonade, frosted lemonade that is, okay? So let's get this unplugged. Slide this off to the side. Almost broke the jar right on the stove. 2 servings. Gotta hurry up before the stuff melts. Y'all know what time it is. We're gonna do this in fast pace. But for all y'all that don't know, all you new jacks, it is taste test time. 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 Rock and freaking roll, baby. Okay, here we go. All right, we got one. All about the long pour. Boom. Could have been a little bit thicker, but that's not the point. Another one. Boom. One. Actually, I don't think it's thick enough. I really sometimes, when you make the stuff too thick, it's like, you know, you get that vein that comes out in the middle of your forehead as you're trying to suck it up through the straw. Here we go. All right, here we go. Woo! Wow! Woo! It tastes pretty effing good, man. Now I can see why she was addicted, why she loved that stuff so much. I'm gonna roll into the camera here. 3D. How you doing? How you doing?
Oh, thank you.
Holy smokes. Now, it could have been a touch thicker, but besides that, the taste is freaking phenomenal. Wow. Yo, this is no joke. Guys, there you have it. Sub to the channel. What else do I have to do for y'all? Frosted lemonade, Sensei vegan style, right? Now, this is not my recipe. I got it off Chick-fil-A, 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 Sensei vegan style, frosted lemonade. Thank y'all for joining me. Sensei Vegan, thanking each and every last one of y'all for joining me. Hello, good night.